IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like taking photographs? Band 5 answer.
Yeah, I like taking photos sometimes, especially when I travel or hang out with my friends. It helps me remember good times.
Why is this a band 5? The answer is simple and relevant, but uses limited vocabulary and basic sentence structure. There's little elaboration or range of grammar. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, I really enjoy taking photographs, especially when I visit new places. It allows me to capture special moments and look back on them later. I often use my phone camera, but I'd love to learn more about photography in the future.
Why is this a band 7.5? The response is fluent, with good lexical range, capture, look back on, photography, and clear development of ideas. Some natural linking and a mix of tenses are used. Band 9 answer.
Photography is one of my favorite hobbies because it helps me express how I see the world. I particularly enjoy taking candid shots of people and landscapes, as they capture genuine emotions and natural beauty. For me, every photo tells a little story.
This is a band 9. This answer is sophisticated, with excellent fluency, wide lexical range, candid shots, natural beauty, express how I see the world, and clear coherence. It sounds natural and engaging, showing a personal connection to the topic. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.